Alright, take a look what we got today. Yeah, yesterday's move got bought up pretty nicely, actually. So we're actually still flagging, and then we're getting another retest of that lower high. I still like it. I think it looks kind of good still. I don't know if we'll break out today, though. I feel like we need some type of catalyst, maybe a CPI tomorrow.
Yeah. It makes sense though with CPI tomorrow to have an inside day.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we say that every time, and it start to trend the day before the CPI or something else, and it's just range and fake everyone's out instead on the CPI print or.
Yeah. Yeah, Qs were kind of back at resistance. I have 617 as resistance. But above there, yeah, 625.
If they wanna see weakness, this could also be an H pattern if we don't break
Mm-hmm.
this.
Yeah, if this gets sold, go back below 609. AKA,
No.
yeah, kind of previous low of day. It would be, I think. Right, yeah, probably. Back below previous low of day. Would be, kind of setting up in the H setup there. 609 is my level, though, but yeah, clear above 617 is back above and break above resistance there, up to the imbalance, and
Yeah, the
probably into
imbalance builder.
625. Yeah.
Yeah. Mhm. I got my payout yesterday
Oh, nice.
again. So I bought 25K's TPT accounts for like some $100 from the 10K payout.
Hmm. Do you
Just
have straight
slowly
to fund
adding.
accounts with Tradeify? Are you gonna do that?
No, no, no. I bought the cheapest one. They
Oh, you
have
bought the cheapest
25K
one.
account, but the 25K account has 1.5K profit goal and
Mm-hmm.
1.5 daily loss limit. So with 3 MNQ, 1500 is quite decent. So
Yeah, you
the
should get there
profit
quick.
to loss is good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, maybe. I mean, I don't really care if it takes a month or a week. It depends. But yeah, yeah. I never tried them, so I was like, oh, just do the cheapest, smallest account with the. I need to do the least gain and trade slow and see if it is something. But I am not really finding anything good to add more. I might not just stop adding accounts, because I was saying like on payout I will add like like 1-2% of the payout in accounts, but I just don't like other prop firms right now with changes. So
Mm.
oh, Apple went back. Wow.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
actually sold back down. Still holding that GP, but yeah, that's kind of an interesting move here. Pulled up, then immediately sold pretty hard, and it's just back at this higher low. So we'll see how we hold
Didn't
here.
even take the liquidity upside.
Oh yeah, we did
I
it.
think
Yeah.
this is yeah, I think it's I'm gonna see. I think it's could be a sell divergence there now. Wait, let me check. You don't really look at that as much, but no sell diversion.
I don't
No
think it
sell
would be until
diversion.
we actually lose this structure, probably. So back below, like, I don't know, 272 or something like that. Yeah, probably below. Yeah, 272.
Yeah. No, we have an hourly sell imbalance, but sell divergence, but it's kind of already played out, so I don't really watch those.
No.
Or if we had a higher time frame one, but we didn't, so. I need to find a short day or tomorrow, probably by myself if you don't short. Oh, damn 5%ers. Just on the CFD account so I don't get flagged for one-sided betting again. Stupidest rule ever made.
Oh, yeah, Microsoft had a nice pop up to that level and then kind of sold this.
That's,
I think it's just gonna
yeah,
take some
just
time.
retested there.
Yeah, I would like to see it create a higher low here and not continue to get sold. We did not run that liquidity though, right? No. Very close. We filled this imbalance though, which is nice.
Yeah.
Our technically has support here as well. You have a nice little like higher low structure right here. Kind of flagging actually. Hey, let's look at that. Hmm. Yeah, it's kind of like a flag here with Microsoft. A little long, but yeah, it kind of works.
Brian got a job, by the way.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He was out for a job for half
Yeah.
a year or so, trying to trade
Yeah.
full time. But he got a job.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, I've been trying to trade full time, and it's been kind of stressful trying to support my family. But yeah, so I've been looking for jobs recently, and I got one, and got one. Yeah, so but yeah, I guess I start March 2nd, and
Mm-hmm.
I'll try to trade still. I mean, I think most days I can.
Oh, that's cool.
So, but yeah,
That's nice.
but then I won't. But then like I think I can take losses better like this because I don't have that same pressure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it's
good
very
actually.
hard to do or trade full time, especially when you're not even like
Yeah.
100% fully profitable yet, right? You still deal with some emotion, so that's especially you're trying to live off of it as well. It's very, very difficult to do that.
Yeah.
So I think that was actually a pretty smart decision
Yeah.
to do.
I think you should think about like how I think about it. Like I have divided money that take my expenses away. But even if I'm not rich, it helps the stress a lot if you make that decision. It's really nice if you know that, oh, I'm not gonna be rich, but I can manage my everything for like 30, 40, 50 years. It really helps a lot. But yeah, or you just do it like Alex and get super rich and it's you can do whatever you want.
It just takes the stress off trading,
Yeah,
honestly. It's like you,
Yeah, yeah,
at the end of
yeah.
the day, like, especially if you're just starting out, you need some type of funding or capital to work with, no matter what it is.
right. Yeah, like yeah. I mean, like I kind of yeah, like I kind of left my last job because at that point I was doing well with Apex, and I had almost 300K at that point in my Apex accounts. But then yeah, but then after I lost that, I couldn't maintain it. It was I think it was actually mostly mental because because I it's a cycle where you lose and then you keep losing because you're losing,
Mhm.
and it's an emotional thing where it's like you're just trying to you're trying to get back to where you were before all yeah, yeah. So that's basically what it was. But I think yeah, I think now I mean it's actually a contract job that lasts through the end of the year. So they can renew at the end of the year if they want to.
Mhm.
But we'll see. I mean maybe I'll be back in good trading shape by then too. And then yeah, and
That's
then
nice.
I
It
mean
give you.
I mean
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. But 10 months in the future, you're set with. I'm just gonna not say what your average hourly rate was, but oh my god, damn,
Insane.
you get nice pay, man. Holy fuck. Yeah, yeah.
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 Yeah,
Yeah,
that's insane hourly rate
let's-
in Sweden.
well that
Our I think our top on the government maybe earn that much, maybe.
yeah. I
The
mean I think in Sweden the salaries are just much less in general. And
yeah.
most of you is it's
So in Sweden, if you're a carpenter, you get like $3,500 a month, and if you are a senior engineer, you get maybe 5-6,000 at most, and that's and manager works is like 7K or something like 6.5 to 8 maybe, but that's like the top of the line you can get
Mhm.
in Sweden. So the prime minister has like 15K a month in Sweden. I don't think Trump earns that kind of little money.
I'd be happy with 5K a month from or 5-10K. I could live off that. I could live off 3K actually.
Mm, mm.
yeah.
Yeah, I live off 2K, but we don't have stuff like you, healthcare, and yeah,
Yeah.
it's already free.
Right.
So yeah, but 2K is no fun for me.
Can't have any fun with
Hmm.
2K.
Nah, 2.5 or 3K is fine. It's fine. You could travel, you could take a car, whatever you want, eat
Mhm.
most foods, and yeah, somewhere around that is nice.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ryan's
I mean,
Ryan's
when
like
you
it's a
have
rookie
a
number.
wife and two little
Sorry.
no, that's well, it's not so much rookie number. I mean, like yeah, I mean, I felt the same way when I was in my 20s and so forth. But yeah, like when you have a wife and two kids and a mortgage and all that stuff, you need a little more than 2K a month. That's
Yeah.
that's
But I have 2 kids. I just
it-
don't have any loans at all, zero, and just don't have any expensive car or anything else expensive. So it's how you structure your life. Also, you can live cheap,
Mhm.
but I mean, yeah, sometimes it's not worth it. I mean, I need to upgrade my living in the future because my kids already now is like, we don't want to share rooms. They're starting to be like that. So then it's impossible to find anything, uh, any apartment, that's has 3 bedrooms where I live. It's really hard. Uh, so I need to buy a house. But yeah,
That's how
this
it
is a
is.
selling pressure before open here on this. I can't calculate my my trading income for a house more mortgage though. That's sucky. Can you do that in USA?
What do you mean? Calculate like your
Or
mortgage?
can you buy a? Yeah, if you have
Yeah.
the consistent profit from trading or long-term investments,
Mm-hmm.
say
Yeah.
you have like $1 million in long term, can you calculate that toward the mortgage so you can get the
Yeah.
mortgage?
Yeah.
In Sweden, we
Yeah.
can't.
So if it shows up on your previous year's tax returns, so
Yeah.
especially like previous 2 years, so if you can, yeah, if you can show that your trading income is, I don't know, yeah, $100,000, whatever it is, in your previous 2 years tax returns, that they can count it as being consistent enough, and they'll
Oh,
I don't
that's nice.
like it'll yeah, like it'll count somehow. I don't know if it'll count fully, but it'll count some, partially at least.
Because I asked Mines and my bank, and they were like, no, we cannot calculate anything based on that. But if you cash 50% of the house, the risk is so little for us that we can accept the mortgage. But so people can, if I had a job, I could pay down 15%, and now I need to pay down 50%.
Mm-hmm.
It's quite bad in Sweden, actually. I don't know why they can. They don't even calculated long-term holdings with divided like income at all. Oh wow, yeah, great selling here to low. Took out the low here.
Filled imbalance here. Happened to view up there as well. We have a nice little higher low right now on the hourly. Let's see if it actually decides to hold or not. Like I said, still keeping an eye on Nvidia. Looking at Nvidia here. A break above 194, 195 area would be nice. That's kind of what I'm looking for. On a bigger time frame.
Oh, this is nice for your options. This is
Mm-hmm.
nice. It took the high at least. Yeah, went back up again.
Yeah, it's basically it's actually up right now actually. 8% almost. I don't know if you guys have a better entry than me. I think some of you have a better entry than me. Those are up a little bit though.
I see selling pressure on the CVD here.
I give it some time. So opening candle. Do we have news today? Thursday. Home sales. And then CPI tomorrow. I feel like we've never done CPI on a Friday. That's so weird.
Yeah, it's Wednesday, right?
No,
Or
today's
Thursday with
Thursday.
PPI on Wednesday.
It's usually
Yeah, but
Wednesday.
I mean it's
Yeah,
CPI.
it's
Yeah, it's
usually Wednesday.
Wednesday and PPI on Thursday,
Thursday,
right?
yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just level of buying here.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on this higher low here on the hourly.
Yeah, with that 30 minutes higher low created, we filled the imbalance to 406 there on the push above. And then sold that imbalance, hourly imbalance, down to open price. But ES have not taken, it's on 7K.
Q's gonna look strong here. Flagging here.
I think ES looks even better.
Yeah, ES looks better.
To 7K.
Q's is pretty nice though.
Yep.
I actually went along this here.
Okay.
I don't want to. Looks kind of good.
Fill build an imbalance there on the upside. 370.
Okay, I'm long. At oh wait, no. 55. Spot on.
Where does he stop at? 35 or?
20. I kind of like the way this is setting up. Not gonna lie. I'd want to see this counter get bought here. Get a nice close above VWAP.
Is he selling?
And then
Is he selling pressure on the CBD here?
tickers out support here though. I think it could still get bought.
Nvidia sold a lot there though, with Apple. Yeah. Mhm. Mhm.
Hey, where's our stop? 20. It's not bad. It is below VWAP. I kind of want it to be at that new low of day at 16, I guess. But I guess 20 isn't bad either. 20's not that bad. I want to see some buying come in here at support. All tickers at support here. Nvidia at its higher low. Google at overnight low. Microsoft overnight low. Tesla
Now we hit
strong.
VWAP there again. Yeah, Tesla is the strongest here by far.
Yep. APQ doesn't look bad.
Sold it down again there. CFD is going. CFD is making a lower high here, and price is trying to make a higher high. If it's hold here,
Yeah, I
see
think
a
as long as
W
we're
pattern
above
and set up
VWAP,
for a push. If not, we,
setup is valid here. I'd say as long as we hold above VWAP.
yeah. If not, they're just gonna flush the
Yeah,
low to
they'll flush
320.
this. Yeah. So we'll look for
Google
overnight
at supply
high
here.
right? Yeah, overnight high. Yeah, we'll look for overnight high. I want to see a break above this
Yeah, 400.
lower high here. That actually was decent points earlier. This is going to be decent point here as well. 30 points? No, not 30 points. 20 points, sorry. 30 points would be at, what, 85? Yeah, I want to see a reclaim above VWAP here. On keys. Looks good. Ticker's got some buying there. Want to see it break the highs, pull up to
We
400.
need to come above this 80 here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Looks good, yeah. Yeah, there we go. Nice move here. I'm gonna have 400 as my first TP.
They're going up. Yeah.
This isn't bad either, though. 40 points?
Yeah, it was really good. Yeah, but it just sold down super fast. Wow. I was just gonna try scale out here as we had an imbalance fill, but was way too slow. Nvidia selling here instead.
Hmm.
Mostly that move was probably based on Nvidia there.
Yeah, maybe.
I lost
Maybe.
VWAP. I don't like it as much anymore based on what Nvidia do there.
Yeah. I think it's still okay, though. I still like SPY structure. SPY's still holding up pretty nicely. Yeah, we're kind of consolidating again back in the range.
Yeah, Nvidia needed to pop there. Now it looks like you wanted that strength above that P hard going back up again instead. Google let's supply, but Apple lost overnight low there.
Tickers still don't look bad besides really
ES,
Nvidia there.
yeah, except Nvidia. And ES looks good. It just
I'm getting some more buying here. There we go. There we go.
yeah, CVD went up nice there. Mhm.
Gotta see some momentum here.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, 1 minute close above 80 would be nice. 380.
Yeah, the closing underneath
Yeah, still holding
70
inside the
here.
range, yeah.
The resistance for me. They
On
need to
the
pop this.
1 minute.
ES coming to overnight high here.
I think 400 is likely here. Need to see this go. Yeah, I would like to trim once SPY also taps into overnight high there as well. So if that happens first, I'll take it.
We already hit overnight high
No,
on
not on
ES.
SPY. Not on SPY yet.
Oh, okay.
Hmm. It's really not a bad idea to actually just take it. Only about a couple points. Just shy of 400.
No. No, it
I
looks
like
like a
the
flag on the one here.
Yeah, we're just consolidating really tightly here. I wonder if we could tighten stops here.
Yeah, I sold 3 times there at 90.
Oh, we hit on SPY? Overnight low, overnight high on SPY? What the heck? What's your overnight high at? 395.45? Oh, 24 you guys have.
CVD lost momentum here. Upside. I think that's the target, honestly.
Ooh, your mic, Philip. You sound like Optimus Prime.
I was. Oh, really?
Yep,
Yeah, yes. I was a target. This is very
I
likely.
cannot hear you.
But we just think
He's basically saying that things get sold off.
Oh, is that me? Can I not hear it either? Oh, it's my Wi-Fi. Wait, hello?
hello? Hello?
Oh, I think
Yeah, we
that's
can hear you
me.
guys.
I don't think
Yeah.
that's you. I think that's me.
Yes, so we hit the overnight high here and reacted on ES and didn't break above on the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq look weak now. CVD is selling here.
Yeah, not the biggest fan of that, to be honest.
Like a flag almost setting up for lower here. Don't see any strength anymore.
Yeah. Yep, I got tagged. Unfortunate. Yeah, maybe we should have taken some off there.
Yeah, I think so. I was just watching for that one push higher, but
Yeah, that's what I was looking for. We were really close to the 400 there, so thought we were gonna get that.
yeah. But then I saw ES on the overnight high, and we rejected. But then we were already down to the 75. I didn't want to take. Yeah, ES rejected that resistance. 400. Yeah. Just fill the imbalance. Rejected. And underneath.
Yeah, if I knew SPY actually hit it, I probably would have actually taken a trim there on that push. It's a bit unfortunate.
I don't understand why yours not showing, but
I don't know why mine's at 695 here, or 695.45. You guys have a little bit lower. Let's look at ES. For me, it probably would have hit
yeah,
on
ES.
ES.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did tap it on ES for me. Not SPY though.
Yep.
Interesting.
Had a slippage there.
Really?
3.5 points, yeah.
I had only had
316.50.
one tick.
Oh, nice. Nice. Yeah, but it exploded there, so it's nothing weird that I got slippage. Almost all tickers sold there. Actually, even Tesla gave
Yeah.
up that move. Meta under the...
Yeah, everything was at support there, but like it had a nice bounce initially and it just sold pretty hard, actually.
Yeah. It makes sense on that imbalance fill on Nasdaq and ES taking that high though. That's what was the call for that? Sell SMT, right?
I guess.
Nice Amir to take that out. Good
Mm-hmm.
job. Nice dudes. I just couldn't get an exit off there or half part there.
Yeah, once we lost that 1 minute structure, yeah, it wasn't really looking good anymore. Like right here.
Yeah.
Kind of like a flag there. Yeah, once we kind of lost it right here, it was...
Yeah.
That's
I
what-
just see selling pressure right now. Right now. Well done, Deuce.
Yeah, I wonder if we could have flipped it after tagging our stop there.
Oh no, that was way too fast. It tagged us and went right to 270. We
Yeah.
needed to reverse that long before on the break on the 1 minute structure before our stop. At almost at our B, I think, or slightly below. Not when we got tagged there. It was impossible. Yes, went to the 6973 supply area again. The high 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's looking like you should have room here still. Yeah, we got a small micro retest at 300 here. But, maybe that wouldn't be really enough.
Yeah. It's fine though. It's very similar to another loss we had. You know, it went up twice and went to the candle size and then just reacted
Mm-hmm.
the candle size.
We left 3.
Hey guys, I was just looking. You know, I do sometimes compare like the mags versus uh, more of the materials, energy, industrials, and so forth.
Mm-hmm.
So just looking here, it looks like you know, the rotation's still kind of continuing. Like materials up 0.5%, energy's up 0.4, industrials up 1.4. I just wanted to kind of point that out.
Yeah, we're seeing a bit of rotation. Yeah, tech is definitely not nearly as strong. I mean, we did kind of have a nice little run up with that, so I guess it kind of makes sense.
Yeah, tech is really spreading my ass this month. I'm about to start trading healthcare or something. I don't know.
Healthcare is crazy. I thought he was gonna say the material.
Trade gold? Trade gold? Yeah, maybe not. Probably wouldn't want to trade gold, actually. I don't know how volatile it is anymore. If it still is.
I think it's better to just be with edge and just trade it. Don't need to shift. I mean, we short also on weakness, right? So
Mhm.
we're not only long trader. So
I'm an only long trader.
no, please not, Alex. Please not.
CBD is kind of gone up slightly.
Yeah, I did a small double bottom, but it's not.
Yeah, ticker's
Enough.
actually bounced a little bit. Video retesting view up here.
Yes, retest the VWAP there also. 79. Went to take that low on the 973 supply. Same with Nasdaq 250 area.
Yeah, we actually
It's not
retested
supply,
a
it's just
flag breakout
line
here.
supply. Wait, let me see,
Oh, it
Alex.
depends how you draw it, actually. Maybe not. Never mind.
Yeah.
It's not great.
Nvidia coming back up to VWAP again. See some, tickers, see some slight buying here. Some. I don't know how
Yeah,
much
they
room
actually
this
haven't
has,
really
though.
moved too much. I mean, some actually
Mm.
sold down a little bit, but Google is
Yeah.
still in the same spot. Apple is basically in the same spot. The only ones that really sold is Nvidia and Microsoft and AVGO there a bit. This is GP where we're sitting at right now, though, from our overnight low to overnight high.
Don't see any strength here yet, though.
Yeah, no buying just yet.
Small bounces, but Nvidia still reacting VWAP there. Same with Apple, Tesla reacting overnight. Open price. What?
Any more selling here?
Yeah, I almost want to short this to
Yeah, you think
204
I feel like we could
here.
short this here, honestly. It looks kind of good.
Mm.
Down to overnight low. It's kind of already moving. Yeah, some tickers just backed us there. Sold again. Should be able to pull overnight low here.
Yeah. Just missed that entry on the 55
Yeah,
area.
I was literally looking at
liked it.
50s as well.
Yeah.
Should be overnight low here. 200. Almost there. There it is. It's unfortunate. I actually really like that opening trade there, not gonna lie. Really liked it. Like that buy up that we got, but unfortunately I just sold. I guess it also was off the opening candle as well. Thought we would see a little bit more momentum there, but did not.
That's why I didn't take it either. I really liked also, like you said, 400, 408 there. But yeah, he just hit and wasn't looking good anymore. And then we saw selling pressure coming in. Structure lost. We up. We flushed down to next supply area. Then we lost it here again.
This is pretty deep here. Pretty solid tickers. We actually should still continue to have room here, actually, even losing this below. Overnight low here. Tickers don't really look great right now, to be honest. We're kind of, it looks like we're kind of
Same with
trying to
the.
come back.
Do you see that daily I talked about the H pattern, right?
Yeah,
Still looks kind of. So we didn't go above 500 here.
mm-hmm.
Still in play.
Yeah, we're just pulling back down to the lower end of the range here. So we'd still have to break that, but yeah, it's kind of setting up here. Not gonna lie. It is a little crazy shorting down here though, but it kind of looks good still.
Yeah.
I don't know what entry I'd look to get if I wanted to. I almost want to short here. It looks pretty bad right now. I guess everything's still holding right now. Nothing's broken yet on some tickers. Nvidia's really leading this. Meta's leading this Tesla. EVGO.
I think this is just too low on that 2 minutes or
Yeah,
1 minute for me.
250
to
isn't
short.
bad still actually.
Yeah, we are trying to hold overnight low here.
Yeah, we are
We
back at
held on the 2
support.
minute candle.
So yeah,
I
we're
really
still
like the
technically
short
just
down to
in
overnight low.
range.
Yeah, hold the 5 minute candle before, then this went to take the liquidity. Bought up.
SPY structure still is a little bit better here actually. It didn't really sell as hard. Decent amount, but not nearly as hard as Q's there.
Google find some nice buying here. Might Microsoft at supply, Tesla at supply, so makes sense that we
Still waiting on Nvidia
saw
though
some
here.
buying here. And then yeah. Well, this is the right on the lower high here if we want to sell this
Mm-hmm.
250 area again, or if we want to break and be higher.
I don't hate the idea still. For 250.
Let's see this going down again here. But
Yeah, I kind of missed that entry there. Huh.
200. Yeah. You want to cover for 200 here for the imbalance fill and overnight low from that
Mhm.
short to from 250. So yeah. Yes, TP1 and you would look for unload. Yeah.
No, it looks really good. I'd say we got sold pretty nicely. See how we react here to this overnight low.
Yeah, from that 250 I would be out most here. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the imbalance fill on the low time frame into overnight low again. And you can see this buy or sell. Yeah. We're trying to hold it here.
Yeah, higher low right now on the one. We are getting
Yeah.
some real buying
Yeah.
here. Google still looks decent. Microsoft's still holding for it now. Nvidia
Yeah.
actually finally got some buying there at 191.
I like that buy up there. Just to fill the imbalance. So it evened up a bit. Not a lot, but Apple's still looking weak here, but Google, Tesla, Microsoft looks quite good. Same with possibly Nvidia here. See buying there at 191, but
Yeah, 191's been pretty solid support. Been
Mm.
holding, using that level for a while. Yeah, this is actually still technically a retest on the left. At least from yesterday, anyways. We've been holding this area since yesterday. It's actually not a bad spot to hold here. I really would like to see some buying come in from Apple, though.
Apple looks really weak.
Yeah,
Do you have any supply here, right? I don't
I
really
don't have anything. I don't have anything
No.
until 267.
Mm. I see this sold there again.
Nvidia sold. I should put in a new low here.
Oh.
Maybe. Yeah, new low.
Tesla gave up the move. Meta still selling. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess that was our another short opportunity there. Off the imbalance. Or at least I do 1 minute imbalance. I'm more so like 50 though, to be honest. Took liquidity at the low there. See if we could actually get some more selling pressure come in. Still haven't really lost anything just yet. We're still floating around overnight low here.
On the 4 hour, this is still. Oh, it on ES. Yeah, this is the lower end of the range on 4 hour.
Yeah, so you'd still have
Gonna
to see
break
this
down
get
or
lost
not?
here.
Yeah.
Nice. I don't think there's a real break until we actually get below like 100 or around there. Get a nice solid candle close below there. But I mean, besides that, this could still go held here actually. 270 is a nice psych level though on Apple here.
Microsoft could hold here also. I think app. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad for, but sorry.
Take this here. Okay, I'm actually in long. 95. 95, 75. I think this might be the last one of the day for me.
60 stop or?
Yeah, 60. 60. See if we actually get some buying in here.
It sold very fast though. There. You want to see that hold above overnight low?
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking to see here, how we're gonna close on this next 5 minute. Preferably at a 15-minute actually. I guess we'll see. If you look at SPY here, it's on the actually the lower end of the range. You can see we're kind of sitting in like a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So we're actually sitting on the lower low end right now. So we should see this get bought at least a little bit. Come back up towards the upper end of the range. We can maybe even just scalp that. We could have maybe a scale out at 40, right? Something like that for 1-to-1 and then, I don't know, break even on or something like that. Unless we actually see some real buying here at this area. Yeah, let's see how we reclaim this overnight low here.
Google sold there though.
Backtesting view up there.
Microsoft still looks good. Yeah.
Yeah. 50 got a little bit of buying still. Holding in that lower end of that range from yesterday still. So as long as we hold here, should be alright still. I think I kind of would want to see Nvidia and maybe Microsoft kind of lead this pull up. It's moving a little bit slow though here. I think we could look for a view up here. View up on Qs. That'll be basically up to 300, I guess, almost 300. 30 points here though, not bad. Looks good though. Look at that buying coming in from Google there. Nice buy up candle there. Yeah, we're right
I was
around
wondering-
this trim area here, guys. 45 points here. Let's see if I get my trim off.
I really want to trim, but I don't want a paper hand.
Sorry, it's not paper handing here. This is resistance right here on the 1. I just did not get my exit there at 40.
Yeah, this can
Alright, I'm
still
gonna
get
take that.
sold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to there.
Yeah, I wanted a limit there at 40. It's fine though. SPY kind of broke that lower high. Kind of broke above structure there.
This is,
But
but 73 is resistance for me.
yeah, this is a little
It was
scary
supply
here.
that broke
Yeah.
down.
So if you could get a trim off here, that'd be nice in the 40s.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go.
I got a 41 in.
There we go. Alright, I got my trim off there.
Can we set stop as a new low here?
Probably.
it's-
Yeah.
Yeah.
69, yeah. I'm gonna have stop at 69. I got filled on my trim at I don't even know what 39 there.
This is still resistance for me on ES, right on that. So if we overcome this, like you said, we have room to 300 here.
Yeah, I only closed 1/3. I actually kind of like this, so a little bit more.
I want to get better at just letting the trade like go from like the entry to TP or entry to stop loss, just letting it run and not touching it at all.
Yeah.
But lower
But-
coverage, that shit is hard.
But if you do that, I mean, we are playing props, right? You don't need to get exactly as good as Alex. If you scale half here, it's very, very valid.
I scaled half at 40. Honestly, I might just take all right now. Just call it.
I got sold there on the 47. Right I have the still resistant
Yeah,
on both
careful
ES
with
and
this.
Nasdaq here.
We still have this can still get sold. There's no real break just yet.
Tickets looks better though, but I think it's still possible to get sold and flip.
Yep.
No.
Maybe should have taken full there. That's 50 points.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have B stops here. I don't care. I don't want to see this flip that much.
Me too. I think I'm
Me
gonna bail
paper,
out
Yeah.
me
honestly.
paper handing.
It's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Yeah,
I
you
didn't
could do
want to
break
see that
even
sold
stops
there.
or slightly in profit. Maybe. I'm gonna leave mine at new low day just so I could actually let this trade breathe, but you know, you guys do whatever.
Another trim off. That was actually really good, actually. 240 trims.
Yeah, 40 was pretty decent.
Ooh.
40 something was decent. Want to see this get bought here.
Yeah,
Apple
ES
got
need
some
to
buying
reclaim
there.
this 973.
Yeah, Microsoft at resistance still overnight low. Google looks pretty good still. Nvidia looks decent. It should have room up to view up. We didn't quite tap into view up there yet. But
Yeah, we tapped VWAP for me and sold
really?
91.9.
I have it at 92. Why are my levels so off today?
No clue, bro.
I feel like you, Philip.
No clue.
Carlos? I need Carlos's
It's
verification.
not my fault. It's Carlos' fault. We all know that. It's his script I'm using. So everything I'm gonna complain to Carlos about.
I'm break even for the day. I'm done with this.
Nice.
Nothing new. Question is, do I take a trade to not be break even, or do I just close? I'm only profit $1.50.
It's not bad. Like, think about it like this: we recovered our previous loss, so definitely not bad at all.
Remember, I took a loss yesterday.
Oh,
Yeah, I had a losing day yesterday also.
Yeah, I took a loss yesterday. I remember I placed a position and I went to go use the bathroom and I forgot to set the stop.
mm-hmm.
This is. I'm gonna get tagged here.
Yeah.
Let's see there. Sadly.
Yeah, this probably be the
Microsoft
last one
still
for me
looks good.
today, I'll say, because I do need to go soon. I think this is fine as long as we hold above overnight low here. This setup should be valid here. Tickers look good across the board, though. I'll say that. So
Yeah. I agree about that.
Yeah, I took a $500 loss yesterday. I think I'm gonna be on 2MNQ for the rest. I'm gonna be on 2MQ until like
Studio
Wednesday.
going up
Yeah,
here.
I'm not confident.
Looking good. Yeah, CVD looks good. Now he has filled that imbalance. We need to see the push above
we're
73
gonna look
now.
for SPY to
And,
tap in the view up here. I think you can pull above that actually. Yeah, like I said, this is a retest there on that lower high breakout.
Oh.
I think. All right, if I drew it correctly, I think I drew it correctly.
No, it's sold again there.
I mean,
Where's
you
the
guys are doing a
magnet?
lot
At?
better.
Somebody pull out the magnet. Pull out the magnet.
I messed
You guys
up.
are
It was
still
too
up by
tight here.
like 140 points or ticks.
I think I'm gonna get tagged here. Damn it. I needed to see that hold directly here.
It's okay,
For me.
Philip. We're not out of it yet.
As
We're
I
not
have
out
B
of it yet.
stops. No, I'm gonna have a red day again, Alex.
No, go up.
Yeah.
I got the magnets. I'm ready.
Oh, we're good. Rich brought out the magnets. We're good. Don't worry.
I'm about to get 100 points right here. Watch.
Nvidia sold that view up. Yeah, I'm tagged.
No.
I'm tagged.
And now we're gonna rip. No, I'm kidding. I don't know.
No, we do that always. You still like this?
I don't hate it. I'm not in love with it. It's a love-hate relationship, you know?
No, it stopped me on the tick. No. Oh,
The magnets never fail. The magnets in the music never fails.
oh, you're kidding with me. Tesla popped. Microsoft popped. Oh my god.
Oh, wow.
Maybe I should re-enter. What the hell? Maybe more
Oh,
money,
this is...
please.
Oh, wow. I'm so sorry,
Whoa.
Philip. I took my another trim there, guys.
Okay,
Yeah,
goodbye, guys.
I just re-entered 214. That was nice.
I don't think it's bad to
Sweet,
pull right
sweet
here,
pop,
personally.
sweet pop.
That's what 206 right there.
Let's see. Maybe it sells down again. Let's see. Whoa. Yeah, I sold most there at 255 anyway.
Yeah,
But
I have
holding on.
break-even stops on now. So I'll actually be flat on the day.
Yeah. But I do those momentum things sometimes when I feel it. I just click and I put the stop loss very tight. And if it just goes, you know, you're just up fast.
It hits.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't, you're down $300.
Nah, but it depends. Like you can't just do it all the time. Like you have to. Yeah, you sort of see your moment when it makes sense.
Let's see if this
Maybe
gets
you got
sold
it,
or
maybe you
not.
just don't got it.
Yeah, I'm just in one.
Yeah, I'll be up
Probably
500
be
bucks on the day, basically. So
Huh?
yeah,
Shit is
basically
easy
flat day
another
for me.
one.
If I get tagged on this,
Yeah.
I have my stop at 200 here, so just slightly in profit, and I'll be flat on the day. Wow, that feels bad for Philip. I'm
You
not gonna
didn't
lie.
take anything off at like.
No, I did.
55 or
I did.
anything
I
like
took.
that?
I
No.
took my
Oh, you did?
2/3 trim
Yeah.
at 58. So yeah,
Oh yeah.
I
Sweet.
recovered the
Sweet.
entire full trade. So if this actually goes in profit here, if I took full there, I actually would have been a decently green. Not really decently, like slight
Yeah.
green. But yeah, I think I'm willing to
Let's
hold
see.
this
Let's see.
hold this out. I'll be B if
I
this
could,
hits, and
Looking
then
at the, I'm looking,
Yeah. I'm gonna say this. It could
I'm
go
looking
either
at
way.
the first. I'm looking at the
Fine.
first trade, and I'm kind of starting to realize we got a little greedy. It was up what 146, give or take. We didn't take a trim.
yeah, 55 to or 455 to. Oh no, 355 to 393, 394.
It's so easy to get caught in those as well. When
Yeah.
they're like fast, you don't think about. Yeah, like you might not have time to react or think, oh, it's fine. Yeah, this is going to go much further, and then it like turns fast.
Yeah. I really like the momentum off the open. I kind of forgot it was off the opening candle, so I really
Yeah.
should have probably just, taken half and then just whatever, but
Right. Yeah. That's true because it was like very quick. Yeah.
yeah.
After the open, yeah.
Those opening candles, they either
that's
have a
true.
lot of momentum and they'll get sold, or they'll just absolutely rip. So, yeah, I guess it was
Yeah.
kind of a lesson learned once it got sold, and then yeah, it gave us 3
I'm gonna get stopped
opportunities to
there.
take some profit, but yeah, I might
Oh,
get
I
tagged
didn't
here
get
as well.
stopped,
Greedy
but I
wars.
still think I am going to get stopped. I didn't get stopped. What the hell? That's crazy. It was
What is your entry?
1 point. It was 1 point. 214.
214.
I got a re-entry at 214. Okay.
What?
You got a re-entry at 214.
Yeah, like you saw like when it went to like 195. I went long with it as it went up there.
Okay.
Nice.
I'm stuck in eval jail. I'm upset.
We're kind of stuck
Yeah,
in
I'm
range
also
here.
in evals on my accounts at the moment.
Eval jail. That shit is.
Do you trade
sickening.
them individually or copy?
No, I only have one.
Okay. I have multiple, but I still trade them individually. It makes more sense for me.
I thought I was so much more up. So, like in the beginning of, or the end of like January, I was so much more up, and I was really close. I was off by I think like $200 or so, and then now it just keeps going back. Like I'll be really close, and then I'll lose it, and then I'll be really close.
Oh,
and then
right.
I'll lose it.
I honestly
Yeah,
kind of want
man,
to take this, I'm not gonna lie.
Long again, you
Honestly, I
mean?
think it was about
No,
it.
take a full
That's
close here.
that really big pop.
Oh,
I'm
you mean
actually
that?
up like 40 points right now. 40 points on still
Oh,
1/3
yeah.
size.
Your entry is like
95. 195.
195. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
I think it was.
yeah, this is a hard one to be honest.
Yeah, I'll actually be up 15
But-
points if I take it here.
But it
Or around there.
I don't know. It's hard. It could go either way. I mean, if it holds and push up, it's gonna go quite
Yeah.
nicely.
I think that big pop was valid. Full exit on us. So
It might, or it, actually, yeah, I can see it happening 2 ways right now. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna close most here actually.
Yeah.
Yep. Alright, I just took another trim there. I'm only gonna hold 2. That way I'll actually be decently green for the day.
Yeah, I will hold the rest of mine now. It's like I'll hold it to stop loss, whatever.
Do I wait? I'm only up $1.50. Do I take? Is it bad to take another one?
Like that depends if you actually see a trade, you know.
Do you see a setup here?
You
Yeah.
can't just take another trade
No.
depending on if you're up or down, you know.
No, I don't see it. Right at this current moment in time now, I don't see it set up. But I mean, that I'm just asking,
Yeah.
like, in general, should I just call it after that?
Oh.
I'm really sure on this one.
Oh right. Yeah, I gotcha.
Uncertainty.
It depends. Like, how long have you traded, by the way? Like in general?
I think we're closing in on a year now. Like,
Yeah,
I think
almost a
that's
year, I
what-
think.
Okay.
Yeah.
maybe like
Hey.
almost a year.
Yeah.
Getting there. I mean, getting a PA account
Like, I'm
within a
not gonna
year, I
lie.
think that's pretty impressive. You know, not really blowing
Yeah.
many.
That's good.
Past
You're
it,
only
I
this is
don't.
only what, your 3rd account maybe? 2nd, 3rd account?
I'll consider it my second only because the other one I technically passed, but I had to just
Yeah.
give it away because I couldn't log into it.
Yeah, that's good.
I'm not gonna lie, it's getting to a point where I'm kind of just like, yeah, let me just full port the account and let's see what happens.
This looks kind of
Let's
good.
see what happens.
I think we'll target VWAP here on Qs if we actually get this break. Near 300, I guess, maybe.
It's-
275.
It's so funny how close I was to getting tagged. Oh my god. If this like really holds now.
I think
Like-
300 is pretty is overkill. I'm not gonna lie.
I think so.
I'm
I think it
lose.
should be moved pretty nicely here.
That's 100 points on.
I'm mainly looking at 275 here. 275, 280. That's really what I'm looking for here.
Yeah, I can agree with that one. That's a little more realistic. But I feel like 300 from your entry is it's a little iffy.
Hello?
Hello? We're still at resistance
Hello.
here on the 1 minute, actually. This could still get sold. Which I'm actually kind of not.
It could be a 5 minute.
Flag
Could be
here.
a flag.
Upside down
Yeah.
H.
Yeah, it could be.
Upside down H.
I
Yeah,
was
maybe it will go quick.
I'm almost tempted to read.
No,
it.
I just have one runner, but yeah, I could have taken it for 70 up there. Yeah, it's 250.
Yeah, 51.
Yeah, I just wanted to hold it. Oh my god.
No, it's gonna
No,
tag me.
I'm down like $12, 12 points today.
That
I
is
needed-
funny.
Yeah, I needed to shut down the computer there. That was really bad for me. I was
You get better
actually
results
really,
after a while.
I was actually really close to just adding back. I changed the size from 3 MNQ to 6, and then I just put the button on the computer, and so it completely shut down. Oh, that was so close for me. I almost tilted. Would be the first time in maybe a year or so.
Very
1.5
long
year.
time, yeah.
This looks weak now.
Yeah, we lost structure a bit on the 1 minute. Probably gonna break down here.
Yeah.
Yep. Right out here.
Yeah, I got
Funny, I
tagged.
kind of ended
that
up
might
doing
re-
that, going to the top, then going way down now.
I mean,
Okay,
you're better than
I
me,
will take.
No, it
so
the
I got
day.
3 points today on a 1 MNQ.
It makes sense because
fine,
this
like,
973 is still this is resistant still.
Like,
So we just went up, back tested the resistance, and then sold down again.
don't yeah.
I'll take that.
Well,
Alright.
well done. Yeah, nice recovery, guys.
Thank
So
you.
everyone's break even on the day.
I'm slight
Okay,
green.
interesting. This might.
Yeah, like
Let-
I'm slight green, but it's
Huh.
very
Rich, I am red. I'm red if it helps. I'm red.
I'm
Could,
up
half a
$1.50
trade.
today, Philip. I think we're good.
Do you think this
I
ends up
got
like
on the
continuation to the
0.0.
downside on the 15 minute?
Sorry.
I was just saying, if you think it might end up as a continuation on the 15
Kinda
minute
looks like
to
it.
the downside, like it
Yeah,
might
looks
be a
like it.
might be a sharp candle, one more sharp candle.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It looks good for P-Lod here. Just gonna sell through this. If we don't hold this
But
lows here.
it's obviously it might be ranging a bit before
Yeah, I was
anything
gonna
Yeah.
say I
happens.
think it's gonna range right here. We'll see.
It's fine. Yeah, I'm up like almost 10 points for today. So it's not anything crazy, but green is
Yeah.
green. I'll take it. Recover the last trade and then slight profit. So all out, it's kind of what, like
I mean, I'm still
45 points total with this trade almost. So
I
I'm
will
still up for the week, so I mean, I'll take it.